So today we are going to look at the causes of earthquakes. First, plates movement. In other words, plate tectonics. When tectonic plates slide against each other or move over one another along a line of fault, earthquakes can occur. Remember, we talked about earthquakes when we were looking at plate tectonics, where we said conservative plate boundaries can cause earthquakes when two plates slide past each other. In other words, convergent boundaries can also cause earthquakes. That is when one plate moves over another plate. So you see, there is a plate A, plate B, and this plate moves down and this plate rises. So this is the earthquake point. So we say that earthquakes can be caused by plates movement.